Hi friends, welcome to our channel Zina's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and of course don't miss the bell icon. Today we will make incredible green chicken with magical ingredient which will enhance taste of this recipe. You will have heavenly ever taste and I'm sure it will become demanding recipe of your family. So let's quickly check the magical ingredient.
please visit my website www.zinapawar.com.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.